Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Info Girl, and I'm so thrilled to have you join us today. And if you are a returning viewer, I'm so glad that you came back for another exciting topic. So let's go ahead and settle in, grab your favorite cup of coffee, and let's go ahead and dive into something that might just change your life. Today, we're talking about a topic that's increasingly becoming attractive to many of us, especially with the demand for flexibility and the rise of remote work. That's right, we're going to be exploring five nighttime remote jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home and even earn up to $500 a day. Yes, you heard that correctly, up to $500 a day. Now, if you are anything like me, nighttime hours often squeal quiet, uninterrupted time. It's ideal for focusing on side hustles, picking up extra work, or simply making the money that you need without the hassle of a crazy schedule. So let's go ahead and dig into these five incredible opportunities for work from home jobs. Now, the first job on our list is the freelance writing. So, if you have a talent for storytelling or a knack for articulating thoughts, clearly writing could be your golden ticket. Now, writers are in high demand right now across various industries. From blogs to marketing companies and even technical writing as well. Now, many companies are willing to pay upwards of $50 per hour or more for skilled writers, especially if you're specializing in a niche area. So imagine working on a interesting article or ebook when the world is asleep and getting paid well for it. Plus platforms like Upwork, or Fiverr make it easy for your content with clients from across the globe, finding gigs that fit your style. Now, as you guys can see right here with Upwork, you can also find jobs on here, but they are also looking for people with great talent. So you can do designs and creativity, sales and marketing, H&R training, legal, finance, and accounting. All of these wonderful opportunities that they do offer, and people will pay you for any of these gigs right here that you are able to do. Now, moving on to the second opportunity, virtual tutoring or teaching. Now, with the rise of online education, parents and students are actively seeking help with subjects ranging from math and science to language and music and also reading, especially during summer break right now. A lot of parents are looking for their kids to get that extra help in some of these categories as far as math and reading and writing and even English. Now, if you have excelled in school, you can leverage that knowledge to tutor students online. Sites like VIP Kid or Craig tutors allow you to set up your hours based on your availability, making it a perfect fit for nighttime work. Now, some tutors report making up to 20 between 30 an hour, while specialized subjects can command even higher rates. So it can definitely be a fulfilling way to earn while sharing your passion if you have the passion to tutoring or teaching other students or kids or adults as well. Now, next up, we have customer service representatives positions. Now, many companies hire remote agents to handle customers' inquiries, even during late night hours. So, it may not sound glamorous, but it can definitely be a flexible and rewarding job. Now, with the right training, you can easily make around $15 to $20 an hour. Plus, companies appreciate night owls who are willing to work unconventional hours. You can often work on a flexible basis, choosing your shifts to suit your lifestyle. Some firms even offer bonuses for handling night shifts. So that is definitely a win-win situation in my book. Again, especially if you can earn or make money at night. Now, for our fourth opportunity, let's talk about data entry. Now, data entry jobs may seem simple, but they offer the flexibility needed for the night owls. Now, you don't need specialized skills, and many companies, especially tech firms, need help organizing and inputting vast amounts of information inside of data. Now, websites like ClickWorker and Amazon, Turk and enable you to pick tasks at your own convenience. It's the unlimited side gig for night owls, depending on your speed and the projects you choose. You can easily earn between $15 to $30 an hour or more. Lastly, let's discuss social media management businesses. Now, these are often on the lookout for individuals who can handle their online presence. So, if you're a savvy with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or even YouTube, this can definitely be just what you need. Now, many small businesses prefer to hire freelancers, especially during the evenings when many customers are online. You can also create posts, schedule content, and engage with audience comfortably at your home. Experienced social media managers can charge between $25 to 100 plus per hours based on your experience and results, making it one of the most remote or best remote opportunities that there is. So there you have it, five nighttime jobs that can help you earn an incredible income while giving you the flexibility to work when it suits you best. So whether you're writing articles or tutoring students or managing businesses online, these opportunities are definitely a great option, especially if you know anything about these opportunities. So, thank you so much for being here today. If you found this video or information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends or family who might also be working or interested in a night job. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more insights on how to thrive in today's gig economy. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and I will see you all in the next video and take care.